Soothing sounds. Choose between 4 relaxing sounds to help soothe you to sleep. White noise, summer night, ocean waves and rain provide a relaxing and calm sleep environment for a peaceful slumber. Compact portability, lightweight and perfect for packing into a purse, diaper bag, suitcase or carry-on for a quiet night's sleep at home or on the go. Battery operated, 3 AAA not included, for easy portability. Auto shut-off, save your battery and sleep silently with the 15, 30 and 45-minute auto-off timer. Easy to reset and reprogram for a quiet night's sleep. Integrated controls, adjust the volume to your comfort level, select the most peaceful sound for your space and program the auto-off timer directly on the sound machine without the need of a remote. The integrated stand makes it easy to see and access the controls. What's in the box? 1. HoMedics Portable Sleep Therapy Sound Machine. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I love that it has only 4 sound options. Other portable sound machines that I read about had 20+ sound options. That's a bit much for me. So having 4 buttons ready to go is very convenient. It's great to have in the car. My almost 7-month-old seems to love it, too. It seems to help him get to sleep faster when we're in the car. It's great for walks, too. Even the store. There's also a timer on here but I don't use it. I haven't turned it all the way up and it gets pretty loud without it being all the way up. It's also nice that you have to hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. So that way your little one doesn't try to turn it off. Great little sound machine.